been a rainy week over here at Forgotten Gear Restorations, and how appropriate for the ghost of a long gone friend to visit the shop. Mr. Esper, is that you? Why are you misbehaving at the customer's house and not at my shop? Let's get to the bottom of this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. After I go ahead and change out that cap, and then we'll be in business. That's just the way it goes. Esper, I know you're not around anymore, buddy. Well, I'm just guessing. Unless you're just incredibly lucky, and I hope you are. I just want to say you did an amazing job on this amp, man. So there's no more leakage there. However, a little bit of noise remaining on those pots, and I'm just guessing that it's just these microphonic tubes, but otherwise pretty good. All right, this is cranked up all the way with some very noisy tubes, so that's what you're hearing in the background.